Hey there! If you are interested in seeing how I got this really cute, very elegant yet pop of pink Valentine's Day look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to start with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer, and I'm going to get my face prepped and ready. So next I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty pencil in the shade medium brown, and I'm going to take my MAC eyebrow pencil in spiked. And then I'm going to fill in the front half of my brow with the medium brown, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the spiked for the outer half. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is the one that's in shade 350, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows. If you guys can't tell, I am still congested, sick, I guess if you want to call it. I'm just scared that I don't want to get the coronavirus. I'm scared. I am terrified. I saw Contagion, and then like 2 weeks later, freaking coronavirus breaks out. I was just like, oh la, I can't do it. I'm so scared. So don't try to say I have coronavirus, because I don't. And then I'm going to take shade 385 and clean up the top half of my brows. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of that 350 and I'm going to just pop that on my lids and set that with some more Mercier setting powder. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and then I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood. It's my base shade. After applying Sandalwood as my transition, I'm going to take Man Eater and I'm going to apply that as my crease color. You guys, hold on, before I even continue, so I haven't done nails in such a long time. I just made a dent in this eyeshadow with my nail, but hold on. I also did it with the Huda Beauty palette with this gold shade up here. I'm so... Next, I'm going to use the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to take the colors Steve, and I'm going to just work that into my outer crease. So I'm going to take Mandala from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to go back with Steve that back into the outer crease. So I'm actually going to take my NYX Vivid Bright in the shade Petal, and I'm going to go ahead and carve out a little bit of that upper crease. You guys know the drill. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade 390. So I'm going to go ahead and use both of my Fenty Beauty concealers, so both shades 385 and 350. I'm going to do 385 first and then 350 on top to kind of highlight. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set. So before I set my forehead, I'm actually going to go ahead and start my contour up there. But now I'm going to actually go ahead and contour the rest of my face. I'm taking the Truffle Matchstick by Fenty Beauty. Going to set our forehead. I'm going to go ahead and finish my bottom lashes. I'm going to take Man Eater and use that on my bottom lash line. And to soften the ends of that, I'm going to take that sandalwood color. We're going to take that Steve Step color. I'm actually going to take the Vivid Brights and I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit at the front opening of my waterline. So with another flat brush, I'm actually going to take Black Truffle from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to just get really close to my lash line. Before I finish the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and just buff out that Fenty Beauty banana powder. So now I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan, and I'm going to set my entire face. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami contour and I'm going to warm up my face. I just blend all of that in with my big fluffy brush here. So now I'm taking Lovejoy by MAC and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And then I'm going to take my Digital Dust Highlight by Milk Cosmetics and I'm going to highlight it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Kyliner to create a soft wing. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Spice Girl and line my lips. Next, I'm going to take my Patrick Star and MAC lipstick. I believe this is She Better Work. Yeah, She Better Work. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in my lips. I'm going to take my Pat McGrath Flesh Fantasy Less Gloss. I'm going to put that on top. And because I've been loving this lately, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint and Unbuttoned, and I'm going to just put a little bit of that on the middle. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. But comment down below what you guys have planned for this Valentine's Day. It's on a Friday, so you can really get turned up, sis. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not. We are still having a giveaway at 150 subscribers, so please make sure to share this with your friends. Everybody, send this to everybody because we're gonna have a really good giveaway. But like I said, we gotta get there first, sis. So 150 subscriber giveaway still going on. Make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next. Oh, your girl got her hair done, got a haircut. We got a blunt cut going, but I got some curls there, so you can't really see it too well, but you guys can see it, can't with the curls. But I found a great new hairstylist here in the Bay Area, so I'm gonna go ahead and link her profile on the side somewhere right here so that you guys can check her out. Like, she was great. I appreciated everything that she did for my hair. She made sure I was looking good. She made sure to like do what was best for my hair. I have really dry hair, so she made sure to take care and customize the actual treatment to what I needed. So I love it. It feels amazing. I can run my hands through it. They don't get stuck. It looks healthy. I'm so juiced. I'm so excited. So make sure you guys do give her a follow if you guys are in the Bay Area and you guys are looking for a hairstylist. She is really bomb. She does weaves too, because I know some of y'all don't care about your real hair, but she is a real hairstylist as well. I feel like that's really hard to find nowadays because everybody wants a lace front, sis. Everybody wants a wig. What about the people that care about your real hair? She cares. So I'm so glad that I found her. Again, I'm gonna put her information down in the description box below. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.